So right now I have an image of the ocean and the image doesn't fit the entire canvas correctly and it only covers only half of the canvas. So what you'll need to do is you're going to select the image, then you're going to go to edit. After selecting edits, go to the heading where it says Magic Studio and use the right side arrow, click it and then look for something which says Magic Expand. After selecting Magic Expand, there are 3 different options that we can choose, either freeform, whole page, or one of one. Because I want this part of the page to be filled, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to select whole page, and then I'm going to select expand. And then we just have to wait a few seconds. And incredible, as you can see here, it has expanded our image and it has filled in the entire canvas. So there are other options that you can choose from, such as this, that, or this. So it's up to you. And then once you're happy with the design, you simply go and select done. And there you go.